This is a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. You've seen this before. It's almost the same procedure for most of the cars out there in the market. The stud is broken. I want to show you how to replace that. All right? So stay tuned. 19 millimeter for these lug nuts. Funny thing is that two of them fit in a deep socket when you remove them. Tie it out. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Me, I'm gonna put it in neutral so I can play with the steering. All right. Are you gonna come through? We're gonna replace. Remove this. Just two guys over here. Look like 19 or 17. More like a 19. Let's do those. Yeah, 19 millimeter. I have to do it manually because my socket doesn't fit in there. I have to use the double bots or any wrench. But I'm using double bots. I like to use double bots wrench. See, all right. They both the same size. All right. Don't be tripping about it. Okay. Cut better come out. Come off. Brother, I'm gonna try to hit it here. Okay, so I don't damage it. But if it doesn't come off, hit it in the corner. Should be good. There you go. Spin this a little bit. I'm gonna need something like this. There you go. See if it come off. And you did. This little guy right here. All right. Oh, this thing fit in there like a champion. It's a new stud. Put it there. Okay. But when I put it in there, I'm gonna use this guy. Put it in there. The lock nut is gonna go like this. It's gonna start pulling. The more I tight it, it's gonna start pulling the stud. Put it like that. Put it like that. You can put some WD-40 there. It helps. Help the cause. Now we're gonna tight it. There you go, all the way in. Now we're gonna put everything back. All the tools that I'm using for this project, you're gonna find it right below. It says products. You see all the tools that I'm using. All right. Now procedure go in reverse. Put the rotor back. Put the caliper back. Pretty much. Snug it. Should be good. And that's it. That's how you replace the stud on any car, especially on these 2019 Subaru Crosstrek, Impreza, and most models of Subaru. All you gotta do is road test it, and that's it. Shout outs to everybody, subscribers, viewers. Don't need to tell you what to do with subscribe, like, share buttons. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. If you want to contribute to the channel, right below there is a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for a tip. With the contribution, I get better accessories like for the camera, microphone, tripods, magnets, so I can set the camera in with better angles. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, though, for the contribution and the support. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. It's me, Axtuo. Boom. Like now. Yeah.